Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you War Thunder error, connection error E. Your profile has been deleted. If it was done by mistake, please contact the customer support at the support.gaijin.net. Please indicate details of the account you used to log in. So if you're getting this connection error E in the War Thunder game, then here follow the fixes. What you have to do, open Steam, go to library, right click on War Thunder game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first open the Win64 folder. If this fails, then you can go with the Win32 folder. So I would recommend you to open Win64 folder. Then you will see this ss.exe file. So right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. And then this will launch the War Thunder launcher and you will get this error. Attention, you have started the game directly, so the game version may be outdated. Would you like to run launcher to check updates? If you want to update, then click on yes, but I would recommend you to click no. So click on no. This will launch the game. You can see that the game is loading. And then please enter your email ID and then enter your password and then click on sign in. And then you can go ahead and check if a problem is solved or not. You can also click on guest login and then you can play the game, but it will not save your game progress. But if you don't have the account in Gaijin, then I will show you how to create a one and then you can log in with your Gaijin account and check if a problem is solved or not. Now here how to create Gaijin account. So if you don't have the ID, then you can go to this Gaijin website. I will provide this link in my video description and then click on register account. And after registering your account, then you can go ahead, then you can launch the game from here in the Win64 folder by right clicking on this ss.exe file and then select run as administrator and then log in with your Gaijin account and then you can check if your error is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So by following these steps, you can easily solve connection error E in War Thunder game. Your profile has been deleted. If it was done by mistake, please contact the customer support at support.gaijin.net. Please indicate details of the account you used to log in. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.